Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward guide on how to transfer USDT to your Binance account in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or just brushing up on your skills, this step-by-step tutorial will have you transferring Tether like a pro. First things first, USDT is a stablecoin pegged to the US dollar, making it a popular choice for quick and secure transfers. But before we jump in, remember that crypto transactions are irreversible, so always double-check your details to avoid any mishaps. Let's get started. Step 1. Make sure you have USDT in your current wallet. This could be on an exchange, a hardware wallet like Ledger, or even a software wallet like Trust Wallet. Open your wallet app and confirm your USDT balance. Step 2. Head over to the Binance website or app and log in to your account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create it and complete any necessary verification. Binance requires KYC for security reasons. Next, navigate to your wallet section. Look for the Deposit option. Once you're there, search for USDT in the list of assets. Here's a crucial tip. USDT can be on different networks like Tron, TRC20, Ethereum, ERC20, or BNB Smart Chain. Make sure you select the same network that your USDT is on to avoid failed transactions or lost funds. Now, copy the deposit address provided by Binance. It should be a long string of letters and numbers. Don't share this with anyone. Go back to your original wallet, initiate a transfer, paste that address into the recipient field, and enter the amount of USDT you want to send. Double-check everything one last time. Hit send and wait for the transaction to process. Depending on the network, this could take anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes. Once it's confirmed, check your Binance wallet to see your USDT balance updated. And there you have it. That's how you transfer USDT to Binance in 2025. Always keep an eye on fees, as they can vary by network, and never transfer to the wrong address. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to practice. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.